This video gives a brief demonstration of applying the Bunting system to the ambulance. This was the prototype version that you see laid out here. In the production versions, we added a center cross member that took the place of the bridge pieces you see joining the front and rear side sections together. We recommend having a couple of tables handy to make assembly easier. It's best to start by connecting any side section to a cross member first. The length and weight of the cross member help keep the side section in place. The cross members have self-adhesive rubber on the bottom to protect the paint and vehicle wrap. The side sections have double-sided foam tape with the backing still on. Keep all the nuts loose until you have all the bolts in place. This overhang is intentional so the bunting clears the lights and vent ports. We were training our team in installation, and while there are multiple people shown here, it's possible for a single person to install the system by themselves in about 1 hour. This center section here will be covered by a necktie, which we will show you later. Once all the bolts are in, tighten everything up. You may have noticed that the side sections are constructed with hinges. This allows access to the side entry door and the outside compartments. The lower attachment points for the bunting arch are secured to the ambulance with 2 types of boxes. The first has a profile of the door closure and fits onto the door by friction. Once the box is in place, you simply turn the hasp, locking it into position. The second type of box has 2 strips that slide into the gaps in the piano hinge. Closing the door holds the box in place. Both boxes have self-adhesive rubber on the portion contacting the ambulance exterior. Finally, you add a necktie of cloth at the center joint and zip tie in place.